Hello students, welcome to EC Engineering. In this video, we are going to see tutorial 2 in controllability problem. Basics of uncontrollability and Kalman test steps all discussed in previous video, and simple tutorial 1 also solved. Both the links were given in the description box. So you just go through both the videos, then we'll back with on tutorial 2 for a better understanding. Now we'll check with the problem. In this problem, consider the system with a state equation given in the form of x dot equal to, with the sum 3 cross 3 matrix, then variables of x1, x2, x3 provided, then B matrix U. So in this given problem, we are asked to check the controllability of the system. So while proceeding with the first step, we'll observe the question and the standard form. While observing the question, see here, as per the standard form, x dot is given and this is an A matrix which is in 3 cross 3 form. Then the x variables are given and then B matrix given and U variable. So we observed it with the standard form. Then we will make an A and B matrices. So as per the question given, what we can observe? We have observed this as A matrix, this as B matrix, both in 3 cross 3 form, here 3 cross 1 form. So n equal to 3 in this given problem. So with this understanding, we'll pass on to the first step. According to first step, we need to frame QC equation. So in a QC, A given, B given, n equal to 3. So n minus 1 equal to 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So your QC equation reduced as B, AB, A square, B. So try to find AB and A square B. See A equation. See A matrix is given here and B matrix given here. For a better understanding, we'll go with a matrix multiplication. With this, here first row and then column. So 0 into 0, here 0 into 0, 1 into 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1. So the first row and first column of an AB completed. The next we'll do with an second row and then B matrix. So 0, 0 multiplied plus here 0, 0, 0, 0, then 1, 1 plus 1, 1. Then with this, third one, third row and the again B column, minus 6, 0, minus 6 into 0, minus 11 into 0, minus 11 into 0, minus 6 into 1, minus 6 into 1. Okay, we multiply both. See, consolidate 0, 1, 0. Sorry, 0, 0, 0, all zeros here, all zeros here. Then here 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Here 0, 0, minus 6. 0, 0, minus 6. So what we can consolidately got it as an 0, 1, minus 6 as an matrix. This is what our AB matrix. Then we need to find A square B. So simply we can do the things with A into AB. A into AB. So A matrix, we know the things in an A matrix is into AB matrix. Now let us discuss first column and a row here. So 0 into 0, 0 into 0, 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 0 into minus 6, 0 into minus 6. So here 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Then second row. Then second row. 0, 0, 1 here. 0 into 0, 0 into 0, 0 into 1, 0 into 1, 1 into minus 6, 1 into minus 6. So 0, 0, minus 6, 0, 0, minus 6. Then come with an next one. Third row, minus 6 into 0, minus 6 into 0, minus 11 into 1, minus 11 into 1, minus 6 into minus 6, minus 6 into minus 6. Here 0, minus 11, minus into minus 6, minus 6 into minus 6 plus 36. So 0, minus 11 plus 36. So what we have here in this, we have 1, here minus 6, here minus 11 plus 36 means 25. This is a value for AB we got. A square B, sorry. So this is what we got it from. So QC equal to B, AB, A square B. All the things were put forth here and framed as an matrix. So we have completed first step. So what should be the second step? In a second step, we need to find determinant of QC. How to find the determinant of QC for 3 cross 3? That too we already know. See here. So with this 0 into, we need to do all the things. Whatever we do, first one is an 0, so no need to go for and further. This term becomes 0. Then here next term also 0, so no need to go for further. But even for your better understanding, I put it over. Even this is 0. And the third one, 1, 1. And do with these 2 cross 2 matrix. 1 into here, 1 into 0 into minus 6, then minus of 1 into 1, minus of 1 into 1. This term 0, this term 0, and here also 0. We got only 1 into minus 1. So what is our value? Here QC becomes minus 1, which means that determinant of QC is not equal to 0. So what is our observation from an Coleman's test? The given system determinant value is not equal to 0, then the system is controllable. So according to our first 2 steps provided, the informations regarding an QC determinant value is not equal to 0. So the given system is controllable system. We consolidated and solved the problem. So this is again an a little different one than a basic problem. So you do practice with these two problem, then we'll observe to the observability in the next video. So this is two important topics in 5th unit, controllability and an observability. We completed controllability topic in the 3 videos. Then we'll observe the observability ப்ராப்ளத்தை பார்க்கலாம். அதுக்கான tutorial சால்வ் பண்ணிட்டு will compare both observability and then controllability in a different problem. Thank you students. Thanks for your better support.